Jeremy with Langlois Home Improvement, here today to talk about this fantastic brush made by Fence Armor. We used it on this project here. This is a massive cedar deck that we used entirely with this brush. This brush is awesome because it is just wider than a deck board or a fence panel, so it can fit across the entire thing in one go, so you don't have to do the same piece over and over and over, which is very frustrating and annoying, and it doesn't leave a nice smooth finish. This fits right over that. It's made with nice pig bristles, so it's very good for holding and retaining the stain. It doesn't drip constantly, so I would highly recommend getting this from Fence Armor.